Hello people, here is a new problem currently taking place in Windows and Mac computers. The pop-up from this suspicious site called viewutility.com. These pop-ups may appear in Google Chrome and in Mozilla Firefox. I strongly advise you not to tolerate with these pop-ups and do not click on either allow or block buttons. If you mistakenly click on a block button, you will still see another similar pop-up to come, and this block button will still enable these push notifications in your browser. So after you click mistakenly on either allow or block, you will keep facing a lot of unwanted pop-ups from this website, viewutility.com, and you will not know how to disable them until I explain how to do it. So here is a free tip to fully disable these pop-ups from your Google Chrome. You go over here on a button, clicking on a button in a form of three vertical dots. You go to settings, then you go to the bottom of the page until you see advanced. You go to content settings over here, and then you go to notifications, and you see this viewutility.com website which is enabled to show these push notifications. So you click here and you click on remove. You again click here on the button in the form of three vertical dots and click on remove, and you may as well disable all other suspicious websites. Now that's the free method, and another solution I also recommend you is to scan your computer with Gradientsoft anti-malware. You need to go to the page called system-tips.net/download-removal-tool. This link will lead you to the download of Gradientsoft anti-malware, the powerful security software for your Windows computer. And if you have Mac, I recommend that you scan with Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. So download the installer of Combo Cleaner and then move it to the applications section of your Mac and complete scanning of your Mac with it. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you need more help on my part, feel free to contact me, and you'll find the download links in the description to this video or at the end of this video. Thanks for your attention. Bye.